Here is a recap of Google I/O Day 2, live and in person. This is the part of I/O that really felt geared towards developers. If you missed the Day 1 video, go check it out. It's the video right before this one. I started Day 2 with a gym session, as always. I didn't get to film that part, so you'll just have to take my word for it. After the workout, I got back to the hotel, freshened up, and headed out to Shoreline. Here's the fit for the day. There was a bit of traffic on the way, but not as bad as Day 1, so I made it to Shoreline a bit faster. The I/O grounds this year were divided into 4 main areas: AI, Android, Web, and Cloud. There were maps posted all around, which came in handy if you lost your bearings. My agenda for the day started with a session about accelerating development using the Gemini API. They talked about the latest model releases and how Gemini is leading in several benchmarks. They were especially proud of the Web Dev Arena benchmark, which suggests that Gemini 2.5 Pro is currently the best model for vibe coding. They also showcased Gemini TTS, which is the new text-to-speech model, and showcased progress with Gemini Diffusion and much more. The key takeaway is that there's a lot you can do with Gemini. It's multimodal, meaning it can take in different inputs, text, images, audio, and video, and produce various kinds of outputs as well. Next up, I went to a session on what's new in Flutter. If you've been following the channel for some time, then you already know I love Flutter, so I was really excited for this one. They shared new feature releases in both Dart and Flutter. My favorite updates were that Hot Reload is finally coming to Flutter Web, and they're working on replacing CocoaPods with Swift Package Manager. We've all been looking forward to that one for a long time. It was now time for lunch. Like Day 1, there were several food options, but unlike Day 1, the food actually tasted as good as it looked. To wrap up the day, I headed over to the AI Sandbox. That's where they demoed all the AI features that they announced on Day 1. The line to get in was very long, but it was definitely worth the wait. There were stations for video generation, Gemini on glasses, Gemini Canvas, Gemini Robotics, AI-powered search, and an AI basketball coach. Yes, you heard that right. Naturally, I went straight for the basketball coach demo. If you remember last year, it was a soccer coach, but this year it's basketball. Here's how it works. You shoot a free throw while 3 cameras stationed inside the cage record your shots. The footage is then sent to Gemini 2.5 Pro, which analyzes every frame and gives you detailed feedback. You get 2 warm-up shots before the real one that gets recorded and sent to Gemini. I missed the first warm-up shot, made the second, and missed the final shot that got sent to Gemini, of course. But the review from Gemini was actually really solid. It gave specific feedback on your form, your arm placement, knee bend, the arc of your shot, and everything. The major feedback it gave me was that I needed to tuck in my elbow while shooting. Other than that, it said I was a really good basketball player, but that's expected. I also got to try VO3, the new video generation model that now includes audio. From conversations with the Googlers I spoke to, I learned that to get the best results from these AI models, specificity matters. We're told to give as much detail as possible, but the video expert told me to think about it as the less ambiguity, the better the outcome. It's a subtle but important mindset shift, especially when working with media generation models. All in all, Day 2 and the entire I/O experience was fantastic. Already looking forward to next year. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.